Do you want to change the shortcuts on your iPhone lock screen? You can swap them out for apps you can actually use, and it only takes a few taps. By default, you'll see shortcuts like the flashlight and camera, but you can customize these to better fit your needs. This works on newer iPhones running recent iOS versions that support lock screen customization. First, wake your iPhone and stay on the lock screen. Press and hold anywhere on the lock screen until the customization screen appears. Tap on Customize. Look at the bottom where the shortcuts are. Tap on one of the shortcut icons. If you want to replace one of the shortcuts, simply tap on the minus icon, then press the plus icon to add a new shortcut. A list of available options will pop up. Choose the app or function you want to replace it with. Repeat the same for the other shortcut if you want to change both. Once you're done, tap Done in the top right corner to save your changes. And that's it. You've now customized your lock screen shortcuts on your iPhone. If this video helped you, please leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.